everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about planning on a budget, and if you only had a certain amount of money to spend on accessories, what should you buy? So before we get started, if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. And if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad you are here. I am getting over a cold, so if my voice is a little extra crazy today, I want to apologize in advance. I hope to not be like this for much longer. But let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the planner release just occurred like a week ago for Happy Planner, and things are sold out everywhere, or they haven't arrived places yet. So it's crazy. It's just crazy madness everywhere. And you want to get the new stuff, but you might be willing to buy something that you wouldn't ordinarily need or want because you're just so eager to get something from the new release. So I'm going to talk to you today about new release, old release, doesn't really matter, but about what I feel like if you are limited, if your funds are limited and you want to keep your budget on point, but you want to get some new accessories, what's the best way to maximize your dollars? So this is dedicated to accessories only. So while there are great sales on planners and different things, if you already have a planner, great. If you don't, this is a good time to get some, but this isn't dedicated to that. So if you don't have a planner, totally go look for one of those, but we want to make sure that we're just today focused on accessories. All right, so the first thing that I would recommend, and I'm going to pretend you have a fictitious $50 to spend inside a craft store. So the first thing that I would get is a sticker book. I'm going to use the Farmhouse as my example, but there's lots of different sticker books similar to this, but a value pack sticker book that would include some of the classic box size stickers, some quote stickers, like these, and some filler stickers like check boxes, arrows, basically a lot of stickers to get you through every season of sticker planning. So you have enough to do full boxes, you have enough to do, there's little icons, there's dinner, eat out, there's dinner time, what's for dinner, top priority to do. There's a little bit of everything in this sticker book while still being a very coordinated color scheme so you can accordingly plan your week how you want to, just as you want to. So I use the Farmhouse sticker book. There are tons and tons and tons of sticker books like this, but look for one that includes a little bit of everything so you're ready to go. And if you're using a coupon, these do normally retail for $19.99 in the United States. I know if you're out of the country, it can vary a little bit. But in the United States, $19.99 or $20 even. If you use a coupon, it's about $10 to $12. There's always a 40% off that you can use at Hobby Lobby, Joann's, and Michael's. You can normally get it off one item. Highly recommend getting at least one value pack sticker book if that's all even you can afford. Okay. So you have now a fictitious $50 to spend. You've used your coupon, your 40% off coupon, and nothing's on sale. But you used your 40% off coupon on this product, which makes it $12. So we have $38 left to spend. All right, the next thing that I think that you should get, and of course, again, after this pretend coupon, I am going to pretend that everything is not on sale when traditionally I highly recommend always going when a sale comes. But now, these little bad boys. This is the baby girl one, and this is the baby boy one. I did not buy the value pack stickers of these because I'm not pregnant, and I don't think I'm going to be pregnant anytime in the immediate future, but I did want to have these for other little things, making cute notes to my children, so I picked up both of them. They, and I don't have a girl, so I just picked it up, but I didn't pick up the full ones. Now, these are very similar to each other as far as the stickers themselves, but what I love about them, not necessarily the baby girl or baby boy sticker books, but just the mini sticker books. They're normally all classic sized, and then you get a couple at the very back normally. I don't see any in here. Oh, yeah, you'll get like full box size like this. These are sized for the classic, but these are great sticker books to have of the full boxes, and they're really portable. So $4.99 for normally this size sticker book. They have tons of them out right now in every theme that you could want. They're normally all sized with the classic size boxes and then the bigger size classic, 2-space classic size boxes. That's normally how they're sized for. But you can get whatever you want. I mean, there's budget, there's colorful boxes, there's any theme that you could hope for in these stickers. But what's nice about them is maybe you want a budget sticker book, and maybe you want a Boss Babe sticker book, and maybe you want a colorful boxes sticker book, but you don't necessarily want the big ones of all of them because you're not going to ever use them all. These are only $4.99. If you can get them on sale, they're like $3. You get a lot of stickers for $3 in there, and they're extremely portable. So pick up a couple of these. If you do pay $4.99, if you got 2 of them, they'd be $10, and you're really you're floating good with having ability to get this bad boy in your hand. My phone decided to say hello to everybody. Okay, the next thing that I think that you should pick up if you are on a budget, best value, is the home extension pack. So this is, Happy Planner had one of these. I bought it when they had it originally. They went away with it, and then they brought it back. So it was one of those things where I don't think it sold very good. Or maybe it did and they just didn't think that people, I don't know. They just got rid of it, and then they brought it back by popular demand. So it used to just include the budget section, house cleaning section, and the meal planning section, but they added this extra projects tab when they re-released it. This retails for $9.99. I bought it at Hobby Lobby. Again, if you don't use a coupon, $9.99, it gives you 6 months for each section. So it's a 6-month extension pack, which is what it was before, but it didn't used to have this section on it. It's incredible. It really is incredible for the money. You get these daily chore lists that I feel like it's a very good value. So if you have not done so already, I would highly recommend getting this. But again, it gives you a little bit of everything, so you are totally ready to go in your planner. This is sized for classic, so if you have a different type of planner, then you will have to think about that. Even if you don't have a Happy Planner, if you have a different planner that this will fit inside of, I highly recommend getting this as like a home pack. And if you're not a Happy Planner girl, if you are a Erin Condren girl or a Recollections girl or whatever you might be, or boy, we don't discriminate here, you can totally still get like the Happy Notes or something like that to pop this in and make this like a home command center, which I also really love aside from just your planner. Okay, and the last thing that I think that you should get is meal planning. So, well, not necessarily meal planning, but any of the coordinated accessory packs. Meal planning was just the one I had handy that I would love to share with you. But what you get with them is you get a ton of stickers, and again, it gives you a little bit of everything. I totally think that meal planning is a great one, though, if you're not a meal planner, but I think it is. You do get sticky notes included. Now, what I have done in the past is I've actually just pulled the sticky notes. They will lift right off. There's a little plastic tab. They will lift right off. And you can actually just put them inside your planner either via a pull tab, or you could, if you have room, you can punch it. You can pull these 2 portions off and punch the side. You can just put it in a pocket. There's lots of different ways to attach it. You can glue it to a dashboard. But it's a great way to incorporate sticky notes. If you're not a huge sticky note person and don't necessarily want to invest in a huge sticky note thing, you can still easily use these and have plenty of sticky notes to go around. And then I love these. These are like coordinated accessory cards, but they are great for an on-the-go meal planning section or just any type of lists that you need to make that you don't want to infringe upon your full planner. It always comes with them on the bottom. I use them all the time. They're a little bit thicker than the paper quality that you're going to see in the planner, a little more cardstocky. Love them. I feel like they're such a great value. So these retail at $14.99. So if you did pay retail, as we mentioned before, then you get a lot for $14.99. But a coupon is always great to add. So let's go ahead and summarize what we have going on here. If you paid retail for everything using only one coupon, you could get your home accessory pack. There we go. A coordinated accessory pack, 2 mini sticker pads, and a farmhouse sticker book or any type of sticker book that you would want. All of this would be under $50 using only one coupon. If everything is on sale, you will get out with much cheaper than even that. But that's going to give you a lot of stuff. It's going to take you through a lot of seasons of planning. And I feel like that is something that is so important when there's just stuff everywhere to understand what's really important to you. Now, I've also heard a lot of people say that they can't get their hands on stuff already from the new release. And as much as I love Happy Planner products, this is a common problem. So don't be afraid to look other places for accessories that you want as well. Maybe you stray away from Happy Planner, maybe you look at other companies that can provide you less hassle to try to find the accessories that you want or that you need. The other thing is that the stuff that's sold out is always the stuff from the brand new release. But the stuff that they just released 3 months ago is no one cares about anymore. It was just as good. It's only 3 months old. So don't feel like if you're getting that stuff that you're still missing the train, because you're not. It's just as popular. So make sure to look at that as well. But all in all, you have, like I said, all of this. You could walk away with it for less than $50 in any craft store. And that would be only using one coupon. So it's great value. You just have to make sure you're mixing and matching appropriately. And it's a great way to get a little bit of everything without breaking the bank. So I hope that you are able to locate the things that you want during this release. I know it's crazy. I know that a lot of you are disappointed that you can't get your hands on some stuff, but stay persistent. Don't get upset. And just remember, if you can't get it, then just enjoy what you have and enjoy planning regardless. So, all right, everyone, I hope you have a great rest of your day. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I cannot wait to talk to you soon. Have a great day.